Hey friends, a lot of users have complained about this thing that they encounter this option that whenever they try to print a file, it rather opens as save as instead of printing the document. So here's what you have to do. Click on file, select print. Okay. First of all, make sure that the printer is the actual printer. Now in this case, I don't have a printer, so I'll click on add to printer. Okay. The next is that we have something called as print to file here. This print to file should never ever be selected. This should be unchecked. It should not be checked. Right now it's checked. I will uncheck it and then I will click here and confirm this. So first of all, the printer should be added. The correct printer should be added and print to file should be unchecked. And once this is done, anything that you print will go straight to the printer. But there's one more thing. The printer should be connected. I mean, it's not only about this application, but any other application. It should be connected to your system, and this application and other applications should be able to print through that printer, because if it's not connected to the system, if the printer is not connected, then the second choice is that it will try to print it as a PDF, which is the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.